my name is Chris Jenkins. I'm with the Real Estate Mortgage Network. We're a direct lender with our own servicing portfolio of just under $2 billion. In my last video, I introduced you to FHA's Energy Efficient Mortgage and how homeowners are saving money each and every month with an energy efficient mortgage from HUD versus a traditional FHA mortgage. I wanted to show you this week a real life example of how the numbers work, how the savings works each and every month for a homeowner. Okay, we're going to look at a real life example of a HERS report, but let's start by remembering you must save money each and every month on your overall housing expense to be eligible for an FHA Energy Efficient Mortgage. It's very important. You must save money each and every month on your overall expenses. Okay, so let's just start with our example here. Looking at this HERS report, let's start with the current utility bills. The current annual cost for utilities is $3,580 annually, or $298 per month. By making the suggested improvements to the heating, cooling, appliances, etc., reduce the cost to $2,335, or an annual savings of $1,244. That's $103 per month. That's a 35% savings in the homeowner's utility bills. Okay, this brings up two big questions. The first question is, for the same interest rate and for no extra money in down payment, no extra down payment cost, would you like to save 35% in your utility bills? Okay. Second big question comes up is, well, what about the cost to make the repairs? And we'll look at that. But 100% of that cost is added to the loan. So what about the extra cost in the mortgage payment? Remember, the savings must outweigh any increase in the mortgage payment by rolling in those energy savings costs. Okay, savings must outweigh any increase in the mortgage payment. Okay, so you must save money. So let's look at our real life example again here. The estimated cost to make these repairs is $8,094. So $8,094 will be added to the loan amount to make these repairs. After adding in this $8,000, the monthly savings for the homeowners is still set $57 or $687 annually. But let's take an even closer look. The energy rater here used 5.5% for the mortgage interest rate. Well, today's interest rates, today, August 2011, are 4 to 4.25%. There is no increase in your interest rate. So the homeowners getting the energy efficient mortgage would still get 4 to 4.25%. So if we make this change to the report, it's a $64 monthly savings. But it's more than that. It's $64 a month overall housing expense savings. You have a new heating and cooling system, new appliances, warranties for 5 or 10 years on all of this work. Okay? But if we take an even closer look, it's more than that. We know two things. The first thing we know is this is a fixed rate. Therefore, the principal and interest payment will never change. That'll be constant. The second thing we know is energy costs are not constant. Okay? Experts estimate that the inflation on energy is roughly 7% annually. 7% increase each and every year. So our payment is staying the same, our energy costs are increasing. Therefore, our savings are increasing by making these energy efficient repairs. At a 7% annual increase, after 10 years, the homeowner would have saved $17,187 in utility bills, while only spending an extra $4,770 in additional mortgage payment. So, and over a 10-year period, the homeowner in this example has saved $12,410. And oh, by the way, they were new heating and cooling system, new appliances. Therefore, we shouldn't have maintenance costs. We have new warranties on these. We shouldn't have the maintenance costs that we would have had on the old appliances, on the old HVAC system, on the old heater or furnace. Okay, so you have more savings there. So $12,410 in this example over a 10-year period. Okay, hey, contact me in any of the various ways at the end of this video if you want to go even more in depth on how to save money using an FHA Energy Efficient Mortgage.